Do you have files and folders on your computer that you access all the time, but you feel like you're constantly having to go and find them each time? Would you like to have shortcuts for those on your desktop? I'll show you how to create those shortcuts on your desktop today on Tuesday Tech Training. Hello, and welcome to today's Tuesday Tech Training. My name is Jennifer Stewart. I'm the owner of Gateway Productivity, and I'm a tech and productivity trainer. Today, I'll show you how to take a shortcut of a file or a folder and put it on your desktop. This can be extremely useful if you are someone who has all of your files and folders like in your documents area or something like that somewhere on your computer, and you don't want to have your desktop completely cluttered up, but you might want a few shortcuts to those documents and folders. That's a great thing to do, and it's really good for your productivity. So we'll look at how to do that now. Start by getting into the location of the file or the folder that you want to make a shortcut for. And I got here by going here, the shortcut on my taskbar. You may not have that. If not, you can go to Start. And then it's this third one here to get to File Explorer. So that's how you get here and then navigate to wherever that document or folder is. And you want to be able to see the document or folder because we're going to need to do a right click on top of it. Once you're in the appropriate place, all you need to do is on the document or the folder, you're going to right click. And then this is a little counterintuitive. You're going to see something that says create shortcut. That actually creates the shortcut in the same location, and then you can move it somewhere. That is an option, but it's a lot faster if you know you want to put it on your desktop to go to send to. To send to, and then you see the third option is our desktop. So I'll click that and it will create my shortcut on the desktop. We'll go look at that. And here we can see my shortcut. And a key here for those who aren't familiar with shortcuts, you see the tiny arrow that's right here. In fact, I will blow this up so that you can see this arrow right here in the bottom left corner. That means that this is a shortcut. And it even puts the word shortcut on there. If you want to make it cleaner and change the name of it, that's fine. But as long as it has that arrow, that's how you know it's a shortcut, even if you change the name to not have the word shortcut. And the reason that this is important is if you delete this, then you are not deleting the original location. You're just deleting the shortcut. So that's a key piece of information to know. And once you're done with a shortcut, you can do exactly what we just talked about. You can delete it. And it's as easy as right-clicking and then choosing near the bottom, delete. And it's going to move it into the recycle bin. So if you accidentally do it, you can move it back. But we'll say yes, it'll put it in the recycle bin and it's gone. And remember, that did not get rid of my original location. Let me go there so that you can see it. See, my clients folder is still right here. It did not delete the folder itself. This is an excellent productivity tool because let's think through this. If you're working on a project right now and you want to get to it really fast and not have to dig around for the folder, you can create one of these shortcuts on your desktop. And then once you're done with that project, just delete the shortcut and then put a shortcut for the next project. Many of my clients will even create their folder structure in documents, which we talked about in our video series, and I'll put a link to that first video in the video series for you. Some people will put everything in their documents and then they'll put a bunch of shortcuts out on their desktop because that's how they work the best. And that works perfectly fine. Have you had a light bulb moment from this training? If so, please let me know in the comments below. And if you have a question, you can put that in the comments as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. You can also choose to give the video a thumbs up, or you could share it with someone you think could benefit from the information. And be sure to subscribe by clicking the red button below. Once you do that, you'll see a bell icon. And if you click on that, you can receive notifications each time a new video is posted. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.